The supplement industry wants you to believe that creatine and protein will transform your body after 60. But here's what they won't tell you. Those supplements are useless without the one thing that actually triggers transformation. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. I'm Andy, 77 years old, certified fitness instructor and creator of the 5BX60 program. This channel is about health span, not just living longer, but living with energy, strength, and freedom. The 5BX60 takes just 11 minutes a day, and it's based on the same system that kept Royal Canadian Air Force pilots combat ready at their 50s and 60s. If you haven't yet, visit 5BX60.com for free charts and guides to help you begin safely at your own level. Before we start, always check with your doctor before beginning any new exercise or supplement routine, especially if you have health conditions, balance issues, or joint pain. Safety first. That's how we keep aging strong. Now let's talk about something you probably noticed. Andy, I don't feel like exercising anymore. Where did my energy go? Here is the amazing part. Your energy didn't leave. It's just waiting for you to wake it up. When you move, your body releases dopamine and serotonin, nature's feel-good chemicals. They lift your mood, sharpen your mind, and give you that I can do this feeling. But when you sit all day, those chemicals take a nap, and suddenly everything seems harder than it should. The cool thing? One good movement session and boom, you feel like yourself again. Your body was designed to move and it rewards you every single time you do. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Andy, what if I fall? Fair question. 1 in 4 adults over 65 takes a tumble each year. But here's the exciting news. The exercises we're about to do are specifically designed to make you steadier, more balanced, and more confident on your feet. Think of this as fall-proofing your body. Every movement we do takes you stronger and more stable. You're not just exercising, you're building your confidence back. Exercise 1, standing mobility stretch. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, knees soft. Feels good already, right? Take a deep breath in and exhale as you reach down toward your toes. Go as far as it down as it feels good. No forcing, no bouncing, just smooth and easy. Now roll back up like you're stacking your spine, one vertebra at a time. Then reach your arms up overhead, feel that stretch, and then gently lean right and left. Doesn't that feel amazing? This is your wake-up call to your back, your hips, and your balance. You're already moving better than you were just a minute ago. Exercise 2, core strength. Time to wake up your powerhouse. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Hands across your chest behind your back. Exhale and lift your shoulders a bit. You don't need to come far, just lower back down. Or you can do this seated. Lean back slightly in a sturdy chair. Engage that core and then sit back up. You feel those abs working? That's your built-in support system getting stronger. Every rep makes your back feel better and your posture more confident. You're literally building your own back brace. Exercise 3, Superman. Now we're gonna fly. Lie face down, arms extended forward, legs straight back. Lift your right arm and lift the leg, then switch sides. Not comfortable on the floor? Do this standing against the wall. Same movement, same benefits. This is strengthening your back, the glutes, and the muscles that keep you standing tall with confidence. Plus, it just feels good to stretch out like this. Exercise 4, push-ups. This is where we build serious strength, and it's simpler than you might think. Start with wall push-ups, placing your hands up against the wall, and then push back out. It's too easy? Move to a countertop. Still too easy? Try doing them on the floor. Every push-up makes you stronger for real-life situations, like lifting grandkids or getting up from the ground. You're not just working out. Exercise 5, cardio movement. Time to finish strong and energized. March in place, knees up, arms swinging, nice rhythm going. Feel your heart pumping? That's your circulation improving. Your energy building, your brain gets sharper. Love to dance? Put on some dance and move. If you like side steps, do those. Jump rope, if that's your thing, go for it. The key is moving with joy, not drudgery. Find your rhythm. Smile while you do it. This is the part that reminds you about how good it feels to be alive and moving. Here's the truth about supplements. Creatine and protein are fantastic. I just did a 45-day experiment with creatine and the results were real. But here's what makes them work. Movement. When you move with purpose, you send a signal to every cell in your body that you're growing, you're building, you're getting stronger. And that's when your body takes those supplements and uses them to rebuild muscle, boost energy, and keep you thriving. Without movement, supplements are just expensive vitamins that you pee out. With movement, they're rocket fuel. So yes, supplement if you want, but movement is the magic that makes everything else work. Movement is the transformation. Here's the best part. You don't need to feel motivated before you start. You just need to start, and the motivation shows up. 11 minutes, that's all it takes to feel energized, confident, and ready for whatever your day brings. Visit 5bx60.com. Grab your free chart and join this community of people who refuse to slow down. Hit subscribe if you want more ways to stay strong, energized, and loving life. Because here's what I know at 77. Every day you move is a day you're winning. Every breath is a vote for the life you want. And you deserve to feel this good. I'm not betting against me. Don't bet against you. That's how you age strong.